physics test to check for nearby explosives and other destructibles. Having become satisfied with it, I saw that there was one obvious, yet crucial thing missing: an equalizer. So I eagerly set out to create a quick weapon to give the player a fighting chance. I based a part of my freestyle idea on the plasma weapon from the Fallout universe. I wanted something that looked rough and rugged, but was simple to operate. This process was mostly straightforward. I created a detail mesh, then its render counterpart with UVs and proper smoothing groups, after which I baked and textured the thing. Once I had a weapon and an enemy wrapped up, I plunged even deeper into level design and commenced work on novel prototype areas that the player could visit. During this development cycle, I also focused on making animated objects, explosive canisters, doorways, particle effects, sounds, and a second test enemy. One facet which wasn't given due attention up to this point was audio, itself being a focal point in what makes a game truly legendary. Realizing this, I decided to divert some of my time to creating various pickup sounds, along with a few one-off stings that I could scatter around the level to really enhance the ambience. I wasn't really ready to commit in earnest to developing a cohesive score at the time, since I felt there was much to do in the other departments, mainly polishing the level and its enemies. It was roughly during this point in development that my prototype game started running quite slowly. Playing in at 1080p, I got around 40 frames a second along with thousands of draw calls. Now, while this might seem somewhat okay, it was far from it, since my computer and graphics card are overall well above average. This realization caused me to dread the game's performance on other systems. Ultimately, no matter how innovative or groundbreaking a game is, no gamer will play it if it runs at 5 frames a second. So I did the prudent thing. I ran Unity's built-in profiler while playing the game to gain a solid understanding what was hindering and bogging down my performance.